Medina.
Alhamdulillah Azza wa Jal, we are on a Madani Qafila and we shared a news with you, very sad news, that Pakistan is underwater. Most of the area in Pakistan is in flood. We need to help our brothers and sisters in that part of the world. Many people have lost their lives. Many have lost their properties, their homes. Please help them, donate generously. We have sent the information, banking details to you already. You can donate in South Africa or you can donate overseas in Pakistan. May Allah bless you and protect all believers, all Muslims from any type of calamity. Ameen. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.